Today, I'm going to show you how to use our InvPro module to handle your picking and packing in your warehouse. After we've turned on the Inventory Pro setting, you will be able to see these four additional icons appearing in your sales and delivery page. Usually, after you create a sales order and generate a picking list, the picking list will be showing here, which is still pending picking. From here, we will start the picking process. First of all, we go to Assign Picker. At this page, the admin can assign a specific worker who will be responsible for picking the items for the picking list. Click here, then you can assign the picker to the picking list. Otherwise, picker may also volunteer to pick up the picking list by assigning themselves to the picking list in the mobile app. Let us log in to our Inventory Pro mobile app. Log in as Picker 1. After login, you can see the number of picking lists currently in progress by the picker, and also how many picking lists are assigned to the picker. Now, click on Picking. Here you can see all the picking lists which are assigned to Picker 1. This is the picking list we assigned to the picker just now. Click on Not Assigned. These are picking lists currently not assigned to anyone. The picker can select the picking list and click to assign the picking list to himself. Now you can see the picking list will flow to Assigned to You tab. This is the completed picking list and the picking list assigned to other pickers. Back to Assigned to You tab, select Picking List. You will see the details of the picking list. Sales order number if picking list consists of multiple sales orders. All sales order numbers will show here. This is picking list creation date and picker assigned to this picking list. Division, area code, customer code, remarks of the sales order. Q number is something like the location reference tag that you use to record where the picked items that are placed before packing or shipping. User can easily know where the picking list items are located later when proceeding with the packing process. Pending status means the picker hasn't started any action on this picking list yet. System will also record the picking start and end time for management to analyze time the picker spends to pick the order. In Progress tab will show all the pending picking items. The small number indicating the total number of items to be picked. Here you can see the details of the item code, description, unit of measure barcode, packing, location, shelf number. We can set the item to pick to sort by shelf number, so the picker can pick the items following the shelf sequence order to pick. This can save time to walk around to pick the item here and there. This is the current stock balance in system. This is order quantity with converted to loose quantity. This is the quantity already picked. Click on the item, here the details page showing the order UOM quantity required. Here, we have a setting to request the picker to scan the barcode at least one time to make sure the correct item is identified. Then only enable the field to allow the picker to manually key in and save the total quantity picked. Now we can start picking. Picker has the option to scan the barcode using the phone camera. Just click this icon, then you can start scanning. If picker scans on the wrong item, the system will prompt a message to alert that the item is not found in the list. Tap to scan again on the right item. Scanned quantity is captured and updated. If the quantity unit is too much, like 50 or 100 units, picker does not want to scan one by one for 50 times to capture all unit quantity. Picker can click to Details page and manually key in the quantity and save. You can see the quantity is updated accordingly. After all, item quantity is fulfilled. Item will flow to Completed tab. Now we continue to pick the second item. Besides using the phone camera, the picker can use a barcode scanner or a handheld barcode scanner to scan the item barcode. I will use a barcode scanner to scan for this item. I will try to scan on the correct item, but wrong packing. Now I scan on outer UOM. System will prompt message to alert picker that the required quantity is 3 units, and the scanned quantity consists of 12 units. Tap to scan again. Now we scan on the correct UOM item. System will capture the quantity accordingly to the UOM rate and update it. What if the item is out of stock and short quantity and unable to fulfill the order quantity? Picker can report error the item to inform admin. Go to the Details tab, click Report Picking List Error, select which item to report, select reason, and enter remarks, if any, then save. Item will then be disabled and waiting to hold the order and submit to admin. After reporting an error and the picker would like to cancel the report error, he can click on the Report Error button again, select the reported item, then click to remove the report error. Now the item will be enabled and the user can continue to pick and update for the item. Now I report error again to show what to do next. After report error, picker still can proceed to continue to pick next item until finished. Picker also can stop picking and report the error to admin first, then continue later. He can click to report picking as on hold to submit report to admin. The picking list will then be updated to on hold status and can no longer be edited or continue picking. On hold picking list will then flow to web admin to take action. Now let's log into Eficore Web. Go to Mobile Picking Status page. Here, admin can check the picking progress of the orders. Click on View. Admin will be able to see all the items of the picking list with status displayed and quantity already picked. And this item is still pending to pick. Back to previous page. This is the alert message or shortcut to filter all on hold picking list to take note. Click to view the on hold picking list. Here, admin can see each item's picking status. Admin will now decide whether to continue on hold and wait for incoming new stock for the on hold item, or proceed to amend order quantity. Click Edit on the on hold item. Here we can see the actual order quantity, already picked quantity, and updated quantity. For example, I want to proceed to change the order quantity with the available picked quantity of 1 unit only. I will amend this order quantity to 1 unit, then click Update. You can see the order quantity and the updated quantity is updated. Click back to previous page. Total quantity of the item has been changed. After update, admin need to click on Revert to in progress. Picking list will then revert status to WIP status again. Back to mobile app. Picking list now becomes status WIP. Just now the short quantity item is now updated to fulfilled and now showing in the completed tab. Picker now can proceed to continue picking and complete the picking list. Let us finish picking for the rest of the items. Click here to scan queue number, a place where the completed picked item is located. Queue number is updated. Now you can click to mark as completed. Picking list is now updated to completed status. And move to completed tab. In Eficore, the system will also alert the web admin on the completed picking here. Click to show completed order. Web admin will then need to select the order and click to confirm the picking list and generate invoice for all orders in the picking list. Click here. You can see the generated invoice on this page. In Assign Picker page, you may see the status of the picking list and also the picking list start picking time completed time. And mobile also showing the same. Here we completed the picking process. Now can proceed to packing according to invoice item and quantity, either via mobile or web. After the invoice is generated for the order, the admin can go to the packing status page to check the invoice packing status. Here you can see the information of the invoice. This is the picking list number, the picker who is responsible for the picking list. The picked item is located at location Q3 and the picking completion time. This is invoice date, picking date, and packing status. Clicking on this icon will bring you to the barcode packing page for packing using a desktop connected to a barcode scanner. Or packer may access this page from Sales and Delivery. Click on Barcode Packing here. Packer has the option to do packing either using desktop connecting barcode scanner via this barcode packing page here. Scan or enter to search by invoice number. You may also enter queue number to search all invoices for the picking list's queue number. Click on Start to start packing. Here you can see the invoice number, sales order number, picking list number, picker of the picking list, queue, number of the picked items, picking completion date, invoice date, customer, area code, status of the invoice packing. These are the items to be packed for the invoice. Now packer can start packing by scanning on the item barcode. System will capture the quantity accordingly. If the packer packs the wrong item, the system will prompt a message to alert that the item is not in the list. Continue to packing when all quantity is already fulfilled, and pack here, scan again to add quantity. System will prompt message to alert on overpacked quantity. Continue to pack for the next item to complete packing for the invoice. Enter remarks for the packed invoice, save. Packing is now completed. Back to packing status page, the status is updated. Please note that the queue number will only release for reuse after all invoices of the picking list are completed. Now, I'm going to show you how to do packing using a mobile app. Let's log into InvPro app. Tap on Packing. Same. Here you can search by Q5 to list all invoices that are pending and completed packing. Or you may search by invoice number. Here we'll show invoice details such as picking information, invoice date, customer, area code. Here we can setting packer as required or optional to scan on packing station and upload packing photo. Click on Packing Station to scan to capture packing station number. Tap on In Progress tab. Here are the items to pack for the invoice. Now we can start packing. Scan on the wrong item. The system will prompt an alert message. Scan more quantity. The system will prompt a message to alert the packer. Continue to scan to packing. Continue to scan to packing. Finish packing. Packer can go to Details page to click here to take photo of completed packing photo. Then mark as completed. Status is updated as completed. Go to Eficore. Packing status of the invoice is updated as completed. After all invoices of the picking list are completed, queue number will be released for reuse for next picking list. Here we have completed the packing process. Admin can now continue to assign transport step for delivery, as usual.